If you head over to your browser and search for online web game right here, you're going to see a lot of websites that are popping up, and each of these websites has their own embedded games which you can easily play, and these websites are getting tons of traffic. Right on my screen right here, I've already developed this particular game that's going to simply help you on your mobile phone and also on your desktop. Right, so with this code right here, we'll be able to come up with this particular tool right here. So for instance, this is the game right here, and this is a quiz game which you can easily develop on your website, etc., and also AdSense. All right, but before we get started, let's try out and see how this particular game looks like. Okay, so if you head back to this very section and go to the application itself, which is this code right here, if you come to this section, you're going to see right here, this is a quiz. So for you to play this game and win, you just have to make sure you locate the letter that matches with the images right here. Okay, for instance, this is A, and A stands for apple. So if you match A and apple, it is going to simply give you a win. Right, and for the B, if you match B to this, and you're going to simply give you balloon. All right, and for C, it is cat. Okay, you can show right here, go to level 2, and it's going to simply give you more higher games. All right, D stands for duck, and E for elephant, then F for fish, then G for dish. All right, so if you get this, another level is going to simply open for you till you get to the last level and continue. Right, and this is going to simply help you get a lot of visitors to your website and also to your application. All right, I'm going to drop this code on our Telegram and also our website, where you can simply go ahead and download it. Okay, come over to this very section right here. All you need to do is simply highlight this. Okay, so I'm going to simply highlight this code right here. You can highlight this from here if you don't have visual code editor. When you copy that, go back to your website. Right, so once you're on this very section, click on this page right here. When you click on that, click on add page, which is this right here. Okay, say quiz game. Let's make it a capital letter. All right, let's give it a capital Q. All right, then when you add that, click on this plus button right here, and you're going to simply search for custom HTML. Okay, when you search for that, go ahead and click on paste button, and when that is added, then you're going to simply go ahead and preview it. If you preview it, you can show here we have this and we have this. For E is for elephant, then D, F is for fish, then this is for this. All right, then that this is for this. All right, and this is working perfectly on this very website. Okay, and we can easily go ahead and save it and publish it on our website. Okay, so remember, once you publish it, this is going to simply go live on your website, but this is what you're going to simply do for me before you publish it. Let's save it as draft first. If my team have already built your website and monetize it, you don't have to do any other thing again. All you need to do is simply start embedding these tools on your website. The monetization is going to simply go to this same page. Okay, so that to get more traffic to your website, let's go ahead and save it as draft. Once it is saved as draft, embed your tool right here and also promote it. Okay, which I'm going to simply show you at the end part of this very video. So if you're getting value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us on our Telegram channel to stay updated on what we do here. So make sure you install Ad Inserter plugin, or you go to your settings right here and locate the Ad Inserter. Okay, so let's click on this Ad Inserter right here. We've already added some advertisement on this video website. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'm going to simply show you how I did that. So what I did was to head over to my website, to my Astra rather, went to the my publisher section, then this is the website section, and you have to simply locate your website. Okay, then copy your native banner, just click on this get code. All right, then click on copy button, then locate where you've not added. All right, locate any of these places, click on this button right here, and you can simply go ahead and publish that. All right, so let's say we want to publish this, you can simply go ahead and publish it right here. Okay, so once you add it here, you can simply click on this save button, go to your Monetag as well and add, and also do the same for your Hilltop ad. Right, and once you add all of these things, go back to that page, then click on all pages. When you search for it, then scroll down a little bit, and you're going to simply see all the pages you've already added on this website. Okay, so you're going to simply locate the draft section, click on draft right here. Remember, we saved it as draft, okay, not as published. Then this is the quiz game right here. Click on this edit button. Before we publish, click on this SEO section. Make sure you add this as the keyword. Let's say quiz game. Make sure you add some focus keyword and also some kind of description and meta description for your website, so that it will rank higher on Google. The more you add all of these things, the more the score increases. All right, so if you click on this edit snippet, Then you come over to this section right here and click on add something. Maybe you add something like all right, so the more you add all of these things, the more the score increases. Okay, so you can simply go ahead and use ChatGPT to get more of these things for yourself. All right, you can see the color has changed from red to yellow. The more you add more, the more the color changes to green. Okay, then you're going to simply help your blog or maybe your page to rank on Google. Okay, so let's hit on the publish button, then click on the publish button, and let's check out this game to see how it is right now before we go ahead and go to the next step. Okay, click on this view page right here. So this is it right here. C for cards, then D, B for balloon, and more. Right, so if you go to this section, right, you're gonna see this is an advertisement from Adstara. You can see advertisement right here. You can see advertisement. The more you go down, the more you see advertisement popping up on this very section. Okay, and so for us to also entertain those on our application, and they can see this page if you notify them. Okay, for instance, if you copy this page right here and you go over to your app section right here, let's say you can come to this very section right here. You can see we have a lot of section on our app. We have the daily update, we have the team update, and a lot more. So I can easily come to this send notification here, then go to this section where it says new message, and tell them we have new game on the app. Okay, so that those who have not opened the app for a long time will open it. Okay, let's say new game is here. Then you can simply go ahead and select choose image right here, then select the app section where you want to display the message. Let's say you can simply add the web page right here, which is this section right here. Okay, so you click on the next button, you click on send button. All right, and this is simply going to go to all your app users. Okay, and the notification has already come to my mobile phone just right now. Next, we're going to do right now, simply go to the section of our application. We're going to simply add this game. Okay, let's click on this create section, then click on HTML section. All right, so we're going to simply come to this very section, then add the name. Let's say quiz game. So let's highlight this the way it is and paste it right here. Okay, so that's not really it. So let's go to this section, then let's copy this, then come back to our app, paste it right here. Okay, so we have this, then click on the save button, and we're going to simply go back to the application. I'm going to simply open my application right now to see if this is already on our app. Okay, so let's go to the mobile app. You can see this is John Francis. So if you come to this section right here, then you can simply scroll down. You're going to see quiz game right here. You can see we have quiz game, and you click on open button, and this quiz game is going to simply display where on the app. Okay, you can see this is the game, and from here you can simply go ahead and open it. A for apple, A is for apple, then C is for card, then B is for this. All right, then go to the next level. All right, so this is basically how this game works. Okay, so for you to promote this, you can simply go ahead and share your app link or this page link to all your subscribers, or maybe share it to your own WhatsApp group, Facebook groups, and lots. So remember, the more people visit your website, blog, or maybe to your app, the more traffic you're gonna get for your app and also your website. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Or join us on our Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, and also on our Patreon to get access to all of these things. All right, see you in the next video.